Hello everybody, this is my 1936 RCA 5T tabletop radio, and this is what, right now it looks like dried out crap, but I'm going to clean it up and the video what it looks like after. It still works. We're going to see if we can get it running better, along with our little friend here. He likes to sit on top of stuff. Yes, there he is. He enjoys views and enjoys wooden cabinet radios. So I'll give you a view of what it looks like now. Yeah, it's got the typical, everything needs to be taken apart and cleaned. This is all original. It should look pretty good once it's done. And it's all original finish. I'm going to see what we can do with just cleaning it up and polishing it up after we get the crud off. The grill is all original. I don't know if well you can see it. Dirty. And see what cleaning up will do. It's got that intricate pattern in there. Definitely worth cleaning up and saving. Alright, good. Well, that's it for this video. After we get this thing all cleaned up 100% and polished back out, we'll do a part 2 video on it.